Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Mslynn HAIR. They sent me a 360 wig, but I won't be installing it in a 360 style. I'll just be doing a regular frontal install. I'm just going to be doing the front. But this hairstyle is going to be a rods hairstyle. I've wanted to try this for a while now, and actually bought the rods for a long time and didn't use them, and I decided that okay, I'm gonna use it in this video. So what I'm doing right now is pretty much just putting the rods inside the hair. I'm just wetting the hair a little bit, and then I'm putting some mousse in it, and you could use whichever mousse you have. I'm using this organic oil shine. I don't remember the brand name mousse, but I'll probably put it down in the description box for you guys, so don't worry. But yeah, right now all I'm doing is just rodding the hair. I don't have a specific direction in which I go in when I'm rodding the hair. I just rod and just go about my day. Like, I don't have a specific pattern in which I'm doing it. I'm just rodding it. But yeah, all the links to the hair will be in the description box, so if you want to buy this hair as well, the link will be in the description box. But once again, I would like to thank Mslynn HAIR for sending me this wig. I didn't really show you guys what came in the box because there wasn't really much that came in the box. It was pretty much just the wig, stocking cap, and some lashes. That's pretty much all I got inside the box. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I finish rodding the hair, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm doing the installation of the wig. Okay, so the company said this is a 360 wig. However, I'm not going to be doing a 360 install because, to be honest, there's not much lace in the middle. Like, to get this part to be 360, I would have to, yeah, so it's pretty much sewn down still. So I'm not going to be doing a 360 install with it. I'm only going to be doing the front part. So I'm gonna be cutting off the back of the lace, but I won't be actually doing a full 360 wig install, if that makes sense. So this is how the wig is looking. I went ahead and I did my rod curl. I hope the curls are dry. I don't even know if they are, but this is how it's looking. This is how the inside is looking. And what I'll be doing right now is I'm just going to be going in and cutting out my combs, and then I'm going to be spraying it with my lace. So right now I'm just going in with my alcohol and my skin protectant spray, and I'm using these to, one, clean my lace and my forehead, so whatever residue that's left on it, I use the alcohol to clean it, and two, I protect my skin using the skin protectant spray. I protect my skin from the glue because sometimes if you don't use the glue properly, it can make your skin break out, and in order to prevent all of this, you have to use your skin protectant spray. So now I am just cutting off the excess lace, and then I'm going to be going in with my glue, and I'll be using the Bolt Hold Active Glue today, one of the OGs, and I'll be going in with 3 layers, and I'll be applying very thin layers. You have to make sure you apply it very thin in order for it to dry clear and dry properly, because if you apply too much, then it's going to one take forever to dry, and two, it's not going to dry clear because it's too much on the hair or on the wig cap. So I'm going to be going in with 3 thin layers, and I'm going to allow each layer to dry before adding the next, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig onto my wig cap. Okay, so now I'm just going to be cutting off the excess lace, and you can use scissors, you can use razor comb. It's up to you guys, but always remember when you're using your razor that you want to have a jaggedy edge. So you want to cut it in a jaggedy motion. But to automatically get a jaggedy motion or a jaggedy edge, it's best to just use the razor comb because it already does that for you, as opposed to the scissors where you would have to literally be twisting and turning your hands when you're cutting the lace, and you don't want to cut straight across because it's going to look too wiggy, and we're not, even though it's a wig, we're trying to go for a natural look. You want it to look as if it is yours. But right now all I'm doing is just cutting off the lace, and I'm going to cut my baby hairs, and then I'm going to be laying my baby hairs. And what I'll be using today to lay my baby hairs are I'll be using my mini flat iron to curl them, and then I'll be going in with the Got To Be spray. The only thing that I use for the baby hairs was the Got To Be spray. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch as I do my baby hairs. Okay guys, so for my baby hairs, I kind of slowed it down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't really have a specific direction in which I'm flicking them. I'm literally just going in with my got to be spray, and whatever direction the baby hairs were laying in, that's the direction I just went in, and I just pretty much just run the comb over them gently and kind of form them with my fingers. And because the got to be sprays on the comb, then it kind of helps it to mold it in place as well. But I don't have a specific format in which I do these baby hairs because they are supposed to be messy and effortless. So yeah, I pretty much just twist and turn, spray what needs to be sprayed, use my fingers to kind of mold it. Just whatever direction you see the baby hairs are curled are going in, then you just pretty much go towards the same direction that the hair is behaving. Kind of just allow the hair to just be ruled, if that's if that's a good explanation. So you know when you're telling a kid to go to go right and they decide to go left, so you're just like, whatever, I'm just gonna go left. The same thing for the baby hairs. The baby hairs, if I'm flipping the baby hairs and I realize it doesn't want to flip this way, I just go with the way that it's flipping. And that's for these baby hairs though. If it was like a, you know, like a sleek type of baby hair, then I will definitely form them myself, but I want them to be messy, so I went with the flow to whichever direction the baby hairs were going. Guys, when I was doing this hair, I didn't realize that um the wig was not dried. So I left it overnight, and for some reason it was still not dried. So I had to go in and use my blow dryer to see if I could literally dry the hair, but it was just not drying. I even stopped the video and I literally sat for almost an hour trying to dry the hair. The hair would not dry, okay? Like the hair wouldn't dry. So the hairstyle kind of flopped, but for some reason TikTok loved this hairstyle, and I was just like, it kind of flopped still. Like you're gonna see how I'm there like cutting off the ends that are still wet because it was just not it. So like you have some of them where the roots were curled and then the ends were still wet, so I had to just go in and clip it off. Like it was just a whole mess, but then it ended up coming cute. The front part didn't dry properly, and then I had to end up doing like two pigtails on like it was just a whole entire mess for this video, and I low-key was just so mad. Like I almost took my makeup off, just yeah, I almost just not do this video no more because I was just like, there's no way I spent all this time and the hair did not come up properly. But like I said, TikTok loved it. So I'ma just let you guys watch the rest of the video, I guess, and you'll actually see me trying to fix it, trying to cut off what needs to be cut off, like putting in the two pigtail at the top so it could look better. Like it was just a hot mess. But yeah, watch me finesse this whole entire hair. put some concealer in my parting, and this is the final look. I'm not gonna tell no lie, this here almost flopped me. Like, it literally almost flopped me, because like it almost did not work out for me. But like, sis came with something cute. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, something cute came out of this, and that's the whole aim of this video. Like, something cute came out. Okay, period. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of trial and error videos, guys, so don't even get mad. Like, don't even get mad. There's a lot of trial and error going on over here, period. But this is the end. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. Also, the links for everything will be in the description box, so do not forget to check that out, period. Bye.